You know what's funny? I didn't even plan to buy this tablet. The Samsung A11 looked like just another cheap Android tablet, until I actually tried it. And here's the thing, for the price I paid, it surprised me in the ways I didn't even expect. The performance, the screen, and even the build. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than I thought. So today I'm going to show you exactly what this tablet can do and can't do. Because if you're thinking about buying a tablet in 2025, this video might save you some serious money. Let's get started. Alright, so I've been using the Samsung Tab A11 for a few days now, and honestly it surprised me. When I took it out of the box, it didn't feel like anything special, just another budget tablet. But setting it up and actually using it, I started to realize something. This thing might be actually one of the best tablets you can get for under 200 euros now. The screen looks way better than I expected and build doesn't feel cheap. And performance side, it's actually handled the apps smoother than I thought. Of course it's not perfect, but are a few things that really annoyed me, and I'll talk about those in a second. But first, let's talk about what I actually liked. First thing I actually liked is the display. For a budget tablet, it's surprisingly clean and bright. The colors pop, the viewing angles are solid, and for watching YouTube or Netflix on this thing actually looks way better than I expected. Next, the performance. I didn't expect much from a processor, but Samsung actually did a decent job optimizing it. Scrolling feels smooth, apps open quick, and even light gaming runs okay. For everyday use, it's more than enough. Surprised me. They are not flagship level, but they sound clean and actually get pretty loud.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
Perfect for watching videos or casual music. Battery life is another big plus. I've been using it for hours and it barely drains. You can easily get through a full day of use, watching videos, browsing or notes, without worrying about charging. Let's talk about what I didn't like about this tablet, because as good as it looks on paper, it's definitely not perfect. First off, the performance can be a little inconsistent. When you start multitasking or switching between heavier apps, you'll notice a few slowdowns and smooth freezes here and there. It's not terrible, but it reminds you this isn't a high-end device. Next, the cameras. They're honestly pretty bad. The rear camera is fine for quick notes or scanning documents, but photos look soft and washed out, and the front camera is just not great for video call. Another thing, the charging speed. It only supports a 50-watt charging and it takes forever to reach 100%. If you're used to fast charging phones, you'll definitely notice the difference. Even though it looks solid, it's all plastic. It's lightweight, which is nice, but it doesn't give that premium feel some other tablets have. So yeah, it's not perfect, but honestly for the price, none of these are deal breakers. And this is why I think this tablet still deserves a spot on your radar. If you just want something reliable for school, streaming, or just daily use. So after using the Samsung Tab A11 for a while, here is my honest take. It's not perfect tablet, but for the price, it does way more than I expected. You get a solid screen, decent battery life, and enough power for school, streaming, or just everyday use. If you're looking for a tablet that just gets the job done without spending too much, this one is honestly worth checking out. But hey, don't buy it expecting flagship performance or pro level cameras. It's simple, reliable, and surprisingly capable for the money. Anyway, that's been experience with the Samsung Tab A11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want more honest tech reviews like this one, consider subscribing, because I've got some crazy stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching, I'm Seals21 and I will see you in the next one.